You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. There are two different pronunciations, indeed, in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. The British English pronunciation, the way it's generally pronounced in the UK, obfuscatory. Some may say it a bit more as obfuscatory, alright? But generally the t syllable at the end is skipped and you just say tree, alright? Obfuscatory. Now, in American English, in the US, it's more generally pronounced the American English pronunciation, obfuscatory. Obfuscatory in American English, or obfuscatory in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.